Hey guys, Paradoxio here. Welcome back to a brand new video, everybody. This is part 18 of our Making a Discord Bot in Python series, and in today's video, I'm going to show you all how we can host our bot 24/7, or in other words, forever. Now, full disclaimer here, this is going to be using a paid server to run our bot on. Now, although it is very cheap and affordable, in fact, it actually starts off as low as 49 cents a month. However, if you don't want to spend any money at all, I will be making other videos in the future for free options. But yeah, so I'm actually in a sponsorship with these guys, and part of my sponsorship is reviewing this server hosting platform and making a tutorial for you guys to learn from it. And another cool perk is actually you guys can save 10% on your order by clicking my referral link that I have in my description. But anyways, with that out of the way, let's go to our browser here, and we are going to type in chaoticdestiny.host, like that, and hit enter. Of course, you would go to this site by actually clicking my referral link if you want to save 10%, but yeah. So you should be taken to a site like this, and another cool thing about it is this isn't just for a Discord bot. You can actually host Minecraft servers, and if you scroll at the bottom, you can host your own website. You can host your website for your Discord bot even, or any website you want to, really. And you also get DDoS protection and some databases and backups and all that stuff. Now, you get all this for your Minecraft server and your Discord bots, but since this is a discord.py video, we are going to be focusing on premium Discord bot hosting. Now, we are going to click order now, and as you can see, we start off as low as $0.49 USD per month. However, there are other plans that cost a little more. I personally use enterprise bot hosting because I have more than enough stuff to use from, and I only have to pay a little over $2.50 a month. So it's pretty cheap, and you get a bunch of pretty useful things like 2 full gigabytes of RAM, 300% of a CPU usage, and 75% gigabytes of disk space. Now, I know 75 gigabytes might not sound a lot, but when it comes down to just your coding files and maybe a couple JSON files or databases, 75 gigabytes is honestly a lot. It's plenty. I mean, heck, you could probably get by with just 5 or 10 gigabytes of disk space. But I mainly chose this one because of the RAM and the CPU load, and also the backups and databases if I ever feel like using them. So I do personally recommend this plan right here, Enterprise Bot Hosting. Of course, if you want to go all out, you can go with Chaotic Bot Hosting. That's just $4.63 a month, and you get 100 gigabytes of disk space and 4 gigs of RAM, 400% of CPU usage, and the same amount of databases and backups. So go whatever plan that fits you the best, whatever one you think is the best for your bot. I recommend this one. And yeah, so we are going to actually click here, order now. Now it's going to take you to this page here, and you're going to be prompted to log in. Now, if you've never used this before, which you probably haven't, you will need to register. So I'm actually going to go to my account right now, and I'll cut back to when I am logged in. Okay guys, I am logged in now, so you will see something that looks like this. As you can see, you have your amount of services. Now, since I already have a service I am paying for, I obviously didn't want to make another one, so we can just click here. And then we can click on our service here, Enterprise Discord Bot Plan. Click that, and then you will be taken to this page here. Simply click the Go To Panel button, and you will be taken to your server panel. Now, this includes a terminal, has all the information like your address, your uptime, your CPU load, memory, disk space, all that, network, in and outbound. And you have a lot of pretty useful things up here. So files is where you want to be at, because we need to actually add our bot files to this server. Now, this isn't very hard at all. However, I am going to take you through it step by step. So you start off with home and container. And what we want to do there is we want to add our main.py file in container. So I am going to actually go to my bots directory. So mine is Discord bot. And I am going to drag and drop my main.py file in there. And same with this keys.txt, because that actually has my token in it. And then after that, we need to create a directory in here called cogs. So just like that. Now you're probably thinking, why can't you just drag your cogs folder in it? Well, folders aren't supported at this time. You can't upload them yet, so just create your folder that way. And inside your folder, you're going to want to create all the folders that are inside your cogs, if you have any. Obviously not the py cache, because that gets created in the server, the server anyways. But anyways, I'm going to drag and drop all my cogs files in here, and I'm going to go ahead and create some directories. So I'm going to create one called JSON, just like that. And I'm going to create another one called text files. And of course, you want to drag and drop all your JSON files in the JSON folder. So basically what we're doing is we are just copying the directory in here, just like that. And then we are pretty much good to go, so I don't have any more files to deal with. So as you can see, if you look through here, it has all your code and everything. And you can also code inside here, so you can change it and whatnot. You can update it anytime you want. You just have to shut off the server and then restart it once you have finished updating it. But yeah, so I have added my entire bots directory. Now what I need to do is I need to go to the startup module here, and I need to basically type in a couple things in these variables here. And for this one here, I need to type in pip install Discord, just like that, because we do need to install discord.py in this server. Now, you don't need to install any packages that came with Python, so like random, math, JSON. You don't need to install those in here. And then for the startup command, what you want to do is you want to type in python-u and then the name of your main bots file. So mine is main.py, and just like that, that is the file that will be ran once I start the server. And of course I have pip install discord. Now I think once you run this with this command for the first time, it already installs Discord and you don't have to run it again. So the second time you run the server, you can just delete that, I'm pretty sure. If I'm wrong, just put that back in there. However, I imagine I am correct, because in case you have any other third-party packages, you might want to install those as well. So yeah, and just to prove this is working, I'm going to show you that my bot is actually offline. This is the bot I am trying to run, so beatbops currently offline. Now I'm going to go to my console and I'm going to start the bot. So just click start right here, and it's going to take a few seconds. It's going to just run through a few checklists and all that. It's going to download all the needed packages. And yeah, so as you can see, our bot is online, all the cogs are loaded, and it says successfully connected to Discord, and now it is up. So if I go ahead and head to Discord, as you can see, my bot is now online. Awesome. So if I go ahead and type in my prefix and then about, as you can see, it responds with everything. And I can, get some help commands in here just to show you that our bot works. And as you can see, if I were to go to level right now, It even pulls my levels information, so like my experience and my level itself, from that JSON file that we uploaded to the database, or not the database, but the server. So yeah, chaoticdestiny.host, very good 24/7 bot hosting service. I definitely recommend it. It's very fast. As you can see by our latency command here, it's pretty fast server. And yes, before you all ask me in the comments, if I were to go ahead and shut off my Chrome browser here, the bot will stay online, so I can go ahead and try it again. Boom. It'll be online for as long as it does not run into any errors, or for as long as you don't stop the server yourself. So yep, we have achieved 24/7 hosting. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you've ran into any problems today, be sure to join my Discord server. We try to help the best we can. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.